Hey y'all, it's time for me to make Drew's dinner. This is gonna be his first lunch video of the year. Fred Meyer has pork chops on sale for $5, and then also this pack was $10. There you go. These are all nice and rinsed. So I'm gonna just season it. This is onion salt from Trader Joe's. This one. Garlic powder. And I'm gonna season both sides the same way. And onion powder. And topping it off with pepper. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna put this in some hot oil and then flip it, put it in, season side down, and then season the other side. Putting down some olive oil, let that warm up. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in, season side down, and then also here. These are nice and thin, so they'll cook fast, but as always, I like to over season pork and chicken for flavor. There we go, and then I'm gonna finish. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna take these out. They're not quite done, but I'm gonna make the sauce. All right, same oil, I'm just adding some onions. Adding some Kikkoman soy sauce to that. And a little bit of water. Okay. Pork chops going back in. And now I preheated my oven to 375. I'm gonna put in the oven for the rest, maybe. Okay, I covered it with foil. I'm gonna put it into the oven. Okay, while that is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and start juicing. Plug in my juicer. I'm trying to move quick because we were running errands and out, and so I came back just in time to make a quick dinner for him. So I'm gonna make his ABC juice, which is just apples, beets, one beet if it's like really big, and carrots. So I'm just gonna core and slice these apples real quick. You know what I really want is that apple slicer where like you slice it and then you pick it up and there's like a plastic thing connected to it and it pushes all the slices out. I have to figure out where that is or what that's even called, because it's the same thing. It's just that like then you don't have to pull the slices out. It just makes it easier and it's more safe because these are all blades, you know. So I gotta figure out where those are from. This is such a yummy juice and it's so good for you. It's got apples, beets, and carrots, Honeycrisp apples, and when you're juicing, they always suggest that you use Honeycrisp because there's so much juice in it to juice with. And what do you call that? Oh, I still have to peel. So the beet goes in, apples go in, you can slice them, or you can actually just core it and the beet, leave it whole for this juicer, and then cut the end off of the beet. I like to cut it in smaller pieces just to help the juicer, even though the juicer will take the whole thing, but this one beet will turn it all that deep color, that deep red color. Push me. Carrot peels are flying everywhere. I figured this would be perfect first lunch packed of the year because this is his favorite dinner to have: pork chops, pork and beans, and rice. So starting off the year with a favorite dinner. Okay, one more carrot to peel. Damn, these are some big old carrots. Look how big this carrot is. Hella big. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the juicer since it's pretty full, so. Usually I cut the carrots in like strips and put them in, but I don't have time. Which is a good thing about this juicer, is you can put in really big pieces. Okay. Add the carrots. What was it? Okay. I'm gonna flip the cutting board to cut the pork chop one. Ooh, look at that. Nice deep red color. Oh, I'm making a mess. Guys, and start that over. I probably need to wipe this too. Like this stuff stains. Okay. There we go. Better. Of course, I still managed to spill. Okay, pork chops are out. I only needed 15 minutes. They're nice and fully cooked. Oh yeah, looks good. Looks nice and tender. Perfect. All right. Okay, rice. He likes it all in one, so I'm gonna put it all in one Tupperware. Okay, we've got rice in there, pork and beans going down, just like that. Then I'm gonna top the rest off with all of the pork chops pieces. Oh, it smells so good. And then I'm going to put the sauce on it. These nice sauteed onions on top, just like that. And now I'm gonna top it off with the suwa. Just like that. All right, so that's what I'm packing Drew for dinner. He's got some rice that Popo made, some pork chops with sauteed onions and soy sauce, and some pork and beans in there, and then 2 bottles of ABC juice, apples, beets, and carrots. Okay, we've got his juice going in, an ice block, and pork chops, rice, and pork and beans. And that's what I'm packing him for dinner today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.